I'm very much sure that you have come across these catchy ads by Cred during IPL. Cred with their unique marketing strategy have become one of the prominent startup in India. How Kunal Shah, the founder of Cred, is trying to build a community of the cream layer of the country, and how 2-year-old Cred was able to become one of the India's youngest startup to be valued at $2 billion and more, and how Cred being a startup was able to tie up or else was able to partner with IPL. So hey guys, this is Viresh, welcome to my channel. So basically in this video we'll try to decode the business model of this extraordinary company, and we'll also know how this Indian startup is taking the game to next level. I mean, it's not easy to make Rahul Dravid angry, bro, but if they have done so, then there is something unique, something special and something extraordinary in this company, which we'll definitely know in this video. So let's dive deep into the video. Looking into the history, in the earlier days, purchasing anything was based on the barter system. For any goods and services to be gained, another good or services of some value would have to be exchanged. Obviously, this system had many flaws and loopholes to it. As a result, currency came into effect that solved almost all of the problems. Yet the problem remained often that the people did not possess enough money to manage all their expenses. This is where the concept of credit card comes into play. That is the art of purchasing in advance and paying for it later. We obviously love our credit cards. These credit cards play an integral part in our lives. We always prioritize the criteria of carrying out the credit card bill payments in the most simple and easy manner possible. Yet often it becomes tedious or else difficult when you possess the credit cards of multiple banks. Now imagine there being an app which gathers all this information and sends you a reminder to carry out timely payments and even offer you rewards. This is where exactly Cred steps in. This app becomes a single platform to handle all your credit cards. The platform has been established with the purpose of making credit card bill payments easier and to offer you rewards upon timely payments. The app works in simple manner. It requires them to give their phone number to inspect their credit score through CRIF, CIBIL or else Experian. If the user's credit score is 750 or above, then they are granted access to the app or else they are put in the wait list. This is where the startup has an edge over the other startup, which we'll discuss in the later part of the video. The entrepreneur Kunal Shah is a mixture of product and marketing, something he did really well with his first startup Freecharge and now doing amazingly well with Cred. In a country where every tech giant is targeting more than 500 million plus smartphone users and a billion plus population, with a youth forming a major chunk, this tech savvy is targeting something different. He targeted premium credit card users and seems to have struck gold, because these are the potential customers for most of the businesses. This is where this startup stands out from other startups. Cred has not only made headline with their unique offering but also with their unique marketing strategy during IPL 2021. According to the report, the company has been registering a 6 to 7 times increase in the users since IPL began. The massive audience of the cricket tournament have definitely helped boost the popularity of this application. Till now, Cred's main focus has been on expanding its user base rather than on profits, but still the company has many revenue sources which they can capitalize in the coming future. Company has recently launched 2 of their lending products, RentPay as well as Credline. RentPay had been set up with the purpose of allowing the users to pay their regular and repeating household payments and monthly rents via their credit cards. Meanwhile, the Credline has been set up to offer credit at 1/3 of the existing interest rates in the market in association with the banks. The platform is hoping to gain revenue by charging a fee for leveraging RentPay aside from the revenue share gained from its Credline offering. It also plans to charge a fee from the brands for listing their products on their app, where the users can spend their Cred coins to avail of discounts. Cred being a startup was able to create all this buzz, and to a large extent they actually justify their position. Cred is not all about a platform to pay your credit card bills. Kunal Shah, the mastermind behind the startup, is all set to take the whole game to next level. There are many factors which makes this startup unique and attracts most of the investors towards it. Few of them are: high engagement is the key to Cred's success story. Well, the first part of the story is all about acquiring as many customers as possible. Then its engagement strategy now need to be understood. Now that you have 30 lakh highly valuable customers on your app, Now, how do you ensure that they remain engaged? The answer is simple, that is to offer them interesting products. That is where Cred launched an e-commerce store and a rent-paying facility. Cred Store is an in-app purchasing platform where consumers can buy curated products. Then it also launched Cred Rent Pay, with which the consumers can pay their monthly rents through their credit cards. Now imagine earning rewards on rental payments and redeeming them within the app itself. It's all about ecosystem game. While he has created a central hook through credit card bill payments, with e-commerce lending and payments, he's trying to build, or else he's trying to set up an entire ecosystem. Cred offers UPI payments which can be used to make all form of transactions. Then it offers rent payments and credit card bill payments. This means that at the beginning of the month, any working professional from metro cities like Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi can come to Cred and get all his or her basic needs fulfilled. And on top of that, you get rewards on every payment, which is massively gratifying for their customer base. Paison ka chakkar babu bhaiya, paison ka chakkar. Since Cred is a club of premium credit card holders whose credit score is above 750, this in short becomes hotspot for all the companies to find their potential customers who are actually young, tech savvy and ready to spend. Even banks and credit card companies are in search of such targeted audience, which makes the Cred app more worthy, since Cred app is facilitating the companies with such potential targeted audience. It is clear that the entrepreneur Kunal Shah is not ready to leave a single stone unturned. He is working really hard for the company. In order to maintain the buzz which the company has created, it has to offer more satisfying rewards and also tie up with as many brands as possible, which the company is consistently doing. They are also planning to lend money. Cred, being a startup at its initial stage, is tying up with different banks to lend money at nominal interest rates. At present, banks might see Cred as its partner, but in the near future, Cred might give cutthroat competition to the banks in lending money. Still, many questions are to be answered, but the one thing which is clear is that this company is doing really great, and let's not forget, this is just the beginning. And finally guys, please give it a thumbs up if you like the video and comment down your suggestions, and for more such interesting videos, please subscribe to the channel. It's actually free. See ya, have a good day.